Hello again. Welcome to our another episode, and now we are continuing from the place where we left last episode. After that beautiful, the point with the bridge, the lake, and too many meadows together. Wow. Try to feel the ambience around this lake and green path together. I still remember this was almost like 4 o'clock and Zuni joined me on the passenger seat next to the driver. You can listen few chit chat in the background. It was me and Zuni was exchanging the ideas. She were my travel companion. This is another stopover. Amazing. Try to feel the ambience over there. Very nice drop. Very nice shot. Actually, if you go from GCC countries, you can't stop yourself and control yourself to, take as much as possible the beauty of Scotland. It was very unique and mesmerizing for us. And I still remember that was the place like where I started driving on a single road, two-way traffic on a single road with a very huge car. Amazing view. This was the first place where I tried first time attaching my drone with my car. This time I was driving and droning together. What a nice memory, I will never forget this experiment. Another stopover, and this will be a very nice shoot. You will see. Hey Zuni! She was assisting me to put the drones here and there. I found too many sheep and lambs together here. And I love to play with the animals like this. And if you observe, the birds are getting close with the drone, they were thinking like they got another family member. I know this is not the right behavior, but I don't know why I was enjoying to tease these lambs, you know. The sheep are very innocent and they were getting scared by this, you know, flying object. And they would keep trying to protect their lambs. Amazing view. Wow, what a flight, what a flight. Ooh. Ooh, run, 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 run. Now you will see I will get attacked. Yeah, run, 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 run. I will not let you go. Run, 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 run. I think they will get angry now. Yee, this is the one. This is the guy who will attack me. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I know, I know, I know. Boom. Ah, yes. Amazing. They get tired, you know, they got tired to run from one place to another place, and they said like, this is the only way to get rid of this flying object. Anyway, after wrapping up from there, we start heading towards Durness. You know, Durness was the place which is almost the west corner of the Scotland, where you will find a lot of beaches, campsites, very, you know, amazing and beautiful kind of villages. So we were very excited, but these stopovers were, keep, attracting us to stop and get some footage. Wow, Zuni and Zuni's mom. What a nice shot. All credit goes to my family. Because of them, I was getting motivated to take more and more. We tried to go a little bit near to this lake. It was very different kind of view for me, the boat and the lake together. Feel it. I don't want to talk more to ruin your, scene. Yeah. Huge. Water is that clean, like I can see the mountain deep down. That is our motorhome. Yeah, here we are. Zuni, Anna and me were standing. This place seems very beautiful and amazing, but I was not expecting. These hills are very hard to walk over. Almost like a feet or 1.5 feet long grass and all wet. I love this shot. Yeah, this drone shot is amazing from this angle. Look at this view. Yeah, I guess I will try to cover the, this trail of water. I was curious from where this water was coming, so I just try to follow the path. Yeah, yes, yeah, I understand. Okay, yes, that's how. See, this is small little drains were bringing all the water from the mountains, the rainwater and the glacier water, because this was almost the April, the glacier were getting melt and all the water was coming down. And here we are again. It was amazing, right? Now this was our last stopover to our, Durness journey. We were very excited to, reach at that point, and you will understand once you will reach there, and you will see like the beauty of that place was out of this world. You might never experience such kind of beach and rainbows every second 5 minutes. You were having rainbows there. Nevertheless, the locations are, of course, were beautiful, but the journey was amazing. And finally we reached SANGO OASIS campsite. This was our camper, and we parked to our spot. And what is this? What is this? It's a rainbow. This was our first rainbow which we experienced there, and we were very excited. We never come across with such a kind of clear and thick kind of rainbow, and we got excited. We started taking pictures. Droning was not possible. Taking the drone shot were not possible in that wind. It was very windy. It was too windy. You can't even imagine. I can't express, because I never experienced such kind of wind anywhere. It was hard to control your body weight, or even your body was moving towards the hill. Mr. Salar, a nature call. Nature is calling, and this was the campsite restroom. Oh my god, Zuni was, almost flying. Thanks God she got some weight, so she controlled herself. See, with this sand you can have any idea, That was the day, amazing day.